Hello, friends. Welcome to Fun English Friends. Do you want to improve your English speaking? Today, we will practice daily English conversations at home. These simple conversations will help you speak English more naturally. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice together. Let's begin. Good morning, kids. Wake up.
Good morning, Mom. I feel sleepy. Me too. I don't want to wake up.
It's time to get up. You have school today.
What time is it now?
It's 7 o'clock.
Okay, I'm getting up now.
Did you both sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. Me too.
Good. Please make your beds.
Okay, I will make my bed now. I need a little help, Mom.
That's okay. I will help you.
What should we do next?
Brush your teeth and wash your faces.
Can I take a shower first?
Yes, but be quick. Breakfast is almost ready.
I'm hungry already.
Hurry up, both of you.
Okay, Mom. What are you cooking, Mom? It smells really good.
I'm making eggs and toast.
That sounds great. I'm very hungry.
Do you want milk or orange juice?
I would like orange juice, please. I want milk, please.
Okay, please sit at the table.
Sure. Can I help you with something? Can I help too, Mom?
Yes, of course. Tom, please bring the plates and spoons. Lily, please bring the cups.
Okay, I'll get them from the cabinet. I'll bring the cups now.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Dad. Good morning.
What are we having for breakfast?
Eggs and toast.
Great. I will help make the toast.
Thank you. The bread is on the table.
Okay, I'm putting the bread in the toaster.
Can I help, Dad?
Sure, you can watch and learn.
I like toast.
The toast will be ready soon.
Breakfast is ready.
Let's sit down and eat together.
Great. I can't wait to eat.
Me too. Let's eat.
The living room looks messy today.
Yes, there are toys and books everywhere.
Let's clean the living room together.
Okay, what should I do first?
Please pick up your toys and put them in the box.
All right, I'll do that now.
I will sweep the floor.
The floor is a little dusty.
Yes, it is. After that, we will wipe the table.
Okay, I will also organize my books.
Good idea.
The living room will look nice and clean.
I'm doing the laundry this morning.
Do you need some help?
Yes, please bring the dirty clothes.
Okay, they are in the basket in my room.
Thank you. Now put the clothes in the washing machine.
Like this?
Yes, that's right.
What's next?
Now we add some detergent.
Oh, I see.
After that, we close the door and press the start button.
The washing machine is working now.
Yes, the clothes will be clean soon.
Oh no, I can't find my keys.
Really? Where did you put them?
I'm not sure. I had them this morning.
Did you check the table?
Yes, I checked the table and the kitchen counter.
Maybe they are in your jacket pocket.
Let me check. No, they're not there.
How about your bag?
Good idea. Let me look inside my bag. Oh, here they are.
Great. Now you can go to work.
Thank you for helping me.
Can you help me cook dinner tonight?
Of course. What are we making?
We are making chicken soup and rice.
That sounds delicious.
First, please wash the vegetables.
Okay, I'm washing the carrots and potatoes.
Good. Now, cut the carrots into small pieces.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
The kitchen smells nice already.
Cooking together is fun, isn't it?
Yes, I love cooking with you.
Are you doing your homework, kids?
Yes, but this question is difficult. I also need help, Mom.
Okay, let's do it together.
I don't understand this sentence.
Let's read it slowly.
Mom, how do I spell this word?
It's easy. I'll show you.
Oh, now I understand.
Good job. Try to answer it.
Is this correct?
Yes, that's right. Well done.
Thank you for helping us.
You're welcome. Keep practicing every day.
That was a nice dinner.
Yes, it was very delicious. I'm full.
Now, let's clean the table together.
What should I do, Dad?
Please take the plates to the kitchen.
Can I help too?
Of course. Please bring the glasses.
I will also bring the spoons.
Thank you. You are both very helpful.
The table looks clean now.
Yes, good job, everyone.
Cleaning together is fun.
Yes, teamwork makes it easy.
Let's watch TV together.
That's a good idea.
What are we watching tonight?
I want to watch a cartoon.
How about a family movie?
Yes, something everyone likes.
Okay, I like movies too.
Me too. That sounds fun.
Come and sit on the sofa.
I will bring some snacks.
Yay! Thank you, Mom.
I love snack time.
Is everyone ready?
Yes, let's start the movie.
This is going to be fun.
I'm so excited.
Watching TV together is fun.
Yes, it's nice family time. It's getting late, kids.
I feel sleepy now.
Me too, Mom.
Did you brush your teeth?
Not yet. I will do it now.
I already brushed mine.
Good. Don't forget to wash your faces.
Okay, Mom.
Now put on your pajamas.
I love my pink pajamas.
Mine are blue.
Time to go to bed.
Can you read us a story?
Yes, please.
Of course, a short story, okay?
Okay.
Good night, kids.
Good night, Mom.
Nice work. Practice these conversations again to improve your English. Before you go, I have a question for you. What is Mom cooking for breakfast? Where did Dad find his keys? Write your answer in the comments. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more English practice. See you in the next English lesson.